Hi, it's Simon here at Driving Spirit, and I just wanted to share with you a quite momentous occasion for us. Here we've got Doris the Dyane, 1977 Dyane Caban. I've known this car since 1984, something like that, and a very long time anyway. And knew the owner at the time when I was a salesman at a Citroën garage in Crawley. When I co-formed the South Downs Escargots 2CV club with my friend Kit, the owner Alison, who owned this car at the time, she was one of the very first members of the South Downs Escargots. Doris has been a part of my motoring life for that long. And we were asked to take over an abandoned restoration of Doris 2 years ago. It's taken a long time to get her close to being finished, but due to sad circumstances, the person who was trying to restore in the first place couldn't, and so he asked if we'd take it over. And now Doris is approaching completion. We've still got a little bit to go, and we've still got a lot of cleaning and polishing and tidying up to do, but today we're going to try and start the engine, which should be fine because I completely rebuilt the engine a couple of months ago, and so we've got all the wiring in place now, and brand new starter motor, and we're gonna have a go at starting her. So let's see what happens. A really momentous occasion for us. So I'm just going to check that the light's on the new electronic ignition, and that's a promising sign. We've already made sure that there is petrol coming up, and we haven't checked whether the pump works, but we'll do that in just a moment. So we'll have some choke. Just check for a squirt. Good, we've got petrol. If I turn over, are you able to see whether the points are opening and closing again? Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's do the other side because it's darker. So we'll check for a spark. Can you tell me if you've seen a spark?
Quite weak.
Okay.
It's not very bright at all.
Okay. Okay, check for a spark again.
Yeah.
Is that better or not?
It's the same, maybe. Maybe because it's lighting.
Would you like to just turn the ignition and I'll just... Okay, that's fine. Okay, would you like to turn the key and I'll operate the business end here? And again. second.
Smell.
Yeah. Okay, and again. Good morning. Following on from a video the other day where we attempted to start Doris for the first time in something like 13 years. And we had one or two issues, not least of which was the coil. But now we have actually started her, but I thought let's just show you, for the sake of the video, the wonderful moment that Doris is running again after all this time. She's come back to life with her original engine, and yeah, marvellous. So stand by. Fitted electronic ignition, and we've following an engine rebuild and a carburetor rebuild, and there was a bit of a noise the other day, and we thought, what on earth is that? It turned out that actually, as soon as we connected the clutch cable up properly, it pulled the arm out of the way of the clutch, which was just as well. And now she's sweet as a nut, which is bad. So softly we'll give her lots of little bursts of running, and then it won't be long before she can be MOT'd and have a little period of shakedown before she goes back to Miles, her owner, who will be delighted. So, Doris, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.